In this example, we're going to learn how to graph an equation using the point plotting method. So they gave us the graph y equals 4 minus x squared. So we're going to select numbers for x, starting with -3 and going to +3. Then we're going to plot them and see what we get. So what that means is I'm going to put -3 in first. I'm going to put it right here for x. So I'm going to have 4 minus -3 squared. Here's what it would look like. 4 minus -3 squared. Well, -3 squared is 9. So I get 4 minus 9, which is -5. So when x is -3, y is -5. Now let's put -2 in here. 4 minus -2 squared. Remember, you do powers first. -2 times -2 is +4. So then I have 4 minus 4, which is 0. So when x is -2, y is 0. Then we're going to try -1. I'm going to put -1 right here for x squared. So I have 4 minus -1 squared. Well, -1 times -1 is +1. That gives me 4 minus 1, which is 3. So when x is -1, y is 3. Next, we try 0. 4 minus 0 squared is 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. Then we try 1. 4 minus 1 squared, well, that's 4 minus 1, which is 3. So when x is 1, y is 3. Then we try 2. 4 minus 2 squared. Well, 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So when x is 2, y is 0. Then we try 3. 4 minus 3 squared. 3 squared is 9, and 4 minus 9 is -5. So when x is +3, y is -5. Now on the next slide, we're going to plot these. So with the first one, we started out at -3, -5. So I'm going to go left 3, down 5. The next point was -2, 0. So x is -2, I go left 2. Y is 0, so I don't go up or down. The next point was -1, 3. So that means I go left 3, or excuse me, left 1, and up 3, because my y was a +3. The next point said when x is 0, y is +4. So I don't go right or left, but I go up 4. Next, when x was 1, y was +3. So you start in the middle, go right 1 for the x because it was positive, up 3 for the y because it was positive. The next one said 2, 0. So x is +2. I go right 2, but I don't go up or down. And the last one, the point was 3, -5. X is +3, so I go right 3. Y is -5, so I go down 5. Then I put my dot. When I'm done, I draw the graph and I end up with this parabola that's facing down.